Watch this. I tap buy. Now I tap rotate. Why is a different product showing as purchased? This is a real SwiftUI production bug. No compile, error, no warning. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you why this happens and how most people accidentally create it, and the exact pattern I use to make the SwiftUI list bulletproof. This line looks harmless. It passes code reviews and works in demos, and it is the root cause of the bug. We will now start to fix the bugs and get the app ready for production. The first thing we need to do is to navigate to the product list view model and start to fix some of the issues. So we need to add a publish variable, which will include an array of purchase IDs. At the publish private var purchase IDs, which is a set string we need a semicolon and also the equals. We also need to create a few functions. Func is purchase. So this function accepts a product and returns a bool. Purchase IDs dot contains the product ID. We need to create another function called mark purchase. And that will be product purchase IDs dot insert. So we insert the new product into the set, the product ID into the set. The next thing that needs to be fixed is our product list, which is this one here. Because at the moment the actual list is incorrect. We're using position at the moment as the identity offset, which makes the actual functionality buggy. And that's how the rows become tied to the incorrect slot when they should be tied to the actual product. So what we need to do now is to delete the for each and then implement the new version. So the new version will be for each As you can see, we pass in the view model product, and then what we need to do is to create a new struct. So the struct will be called product row, because the current struct, that's incorrect, so let's delete the current struct, which is this one. This is the buggy one that was being used previously. So let's delete that and create the new one. Struct product row, it should be product row, which is a view. And we also have to create our environment variable, environment dot analytics private var analytics at observed object var view model product list view model let product, it should be let product and then we just have to implement the body for this view. So I'll just copy and paste some code from the clipboard. I'll just paste the code now. There must be a few spelling mistakes, so that should be analytics. Should just change it here. And we just have to fix lines 94, so that should be vm.product and then we populate our product row with the struct that we created a few minutes ago. So just type in product row and then we just pass in our view model, which is VM, and the actual product that should be displayed. Just type in product. Now just compile it. Oh, there's a missing bracket somewhere, or an extra bracket. I will need to remove that one. Compile it again. See if it works in the preview. So now, when I click on the button, so if I select by SwiftUI course, then if I reload it, as you can see, the same course is still selected. If I click on Firebase SwiftUI, click on rotate, and as you can see, the state has been maintained. Click on reload, it still says SwiftUI calls and Firebase SwiftUI with the correct state being saved and persisted. And here is the complete code. If this topic is where you keep getting stuck in SwiftUI, that's exactly what I help people with in one-to-one mentoring. There's a free Clarity Call link in the description.